Hello everyone and welcome to Vishuddhara. This is the third video in series of Astro Vastu. So third video relates to third house. Our today's topic is Astro Vastu, third house and analysis of direction in home according to third house. So Lal Kitab says third house relates to south-southeast direction. From south moving on towards south-southeast direction. This house relates to that area of house. Third house is owned by Gemini and the ruling planet is Mercury. Mars also is significator of third house, and when we look for south-southeast direction, this is the zone of power and confidence, which also relates to Mars. So Mars and Mercury, their strength, their position, they must not be afflicted in horoscope is all what we need to analyze while looking for Astro Vastu for south-southeast direction. If there is any kind of affliction to third house, Gemini or Mars and Mercury, there will be some kind of problem that we can face in south-southeast direction. Inside house, this direction relates to basic necessities or the standard of living of a person. When I say about standard of living of a person, what Lal Kitab says is सुख सुविधाओं के साधन आपके घर में कितने होंगे. Let's say you enter someone's house and you will find the house is equipped with only furniture or something that fulfills only basic needs of person. You can simply say their house, third house of Kundali horoscope is afflicted, and same while analyzing the horoscope, you can say that this according to planets, according to drishtis, you can say that what kind of affliction you can find in third house is that the things that you will find in south-southeast area of house, that will be causing some kind of problems in your life. Another thing that Lal Kitab says for Astro Vastu and analysis of south-southeast direction is that it also relates to neighborhood area. Here earlier I have also talked about the environment that we see from second house. Here the neighborhood area. In earlier times, people used to have, in today's time also there are the kind of a platform outside house where in earlier time people used to keep wheat balls or leftover food for cows, and the same place they use for the women of neighborhood area come together, sit and talk about the day-to-day life. So if you have that kind of area outside your house before entering into house, and there that is not very well decorated, there kind of any kind of wrong things kept over there, or it has been full of unused material, it is messy, it is full of clutter, that means your third house is afflicted. Third house plays a very important role in terms of both money and health. Second house is house of wealth and family, but this house also plays very important in depletion of wealth. And that's why it is said it is not very good that if you have open area in south, southeast or south. And if you have such kind of platform outside your house, make sure it should be clutter free. It should not have any kind of storage or any kind of weapons. Even rusted weapons over there causes a lot of difficulties. I am repeating because it is the one thing that should not be in your house. Like many people keep the bicycles of children with locked with the chain locked over there, and that chain is completely rusted, or there is some rusted material, iron that is kept in this direction, causes problem from government, police, and court cases can also be affected. So make sure that there should not be any kind of rusted items, especially rustic iron items over there in this zone, and it should be clean and clutter free. Third thing that Lal Kitab says is the relatives that are going to visit your house. While talking about second house, I have told you that how much relatives are coming into your house, what kind of gifts they are bringing is seen from affliction in the northwest and second house. Here, how much longer or the duration they are going to stay in your house is decided by south southeast direction. Frequent or unfrequent visits is seen from northwest, but the duration of stay and what they expect from you, and while living and behind your back after going from your home, what they are going to say about you is all seen from third house and south southeast direction. So if there is whole lot of storage you find in this direction with all clutter, all area messed up, even cut is there, that is going to affect very badly in terms of your relations with your guests who frequently visits your house. Next, and the direction I have discussed is south southeast and third house. Platform outside the house, then how much relatives are going to visit and how longer they are going to stay. Then I have discussed about another point, that is how it relates to the equipments. Right, I forgot the equipments. So sports equipment, any kind of treadmills, any kind of equipments, medical equipments that you keep at home, like if you are very much health conscious, or fitness equipment rather I will say, sports equipment, fitness equipment, keeping your medicines in this direction gives a very good result, and all these things kept in these directions also supports your health because third house relates to south southeast, that is the zone of power and confidence. Power is not only physical power here, what we are talking about, it is also the health, power, vigor and vitality. So keeping such kind of things, your fitness equipments, your sports equipments and your medicines over here boosts your immunity, gives you more power, vigor and vitality. Then weapons. Another thing that relates to be seen from this house is weapons. Scissors, knives. What kind of knives a person will use at his home, or is there any kind of sharp weapons at home or not, or any kind of weapons that can harm others. That shows your power, that how much power you have. See, when someone is holding a sword, it automatically depicts that person is powerful. And such kind of photographs kept here makes you powerful in society. So all these things can be analyzed from south southeast direction and third house. And earlier I said that health and immunity and all that relates to third house, because it is second from second and eighth from eighth. So there should not be any kind of problem in this area, else it will affect your whole health and wealth. Leakage of wealth, economy and leakage of health will be there. Remedies. Coming on to remedies, I have told you that it should be free from clutter. There should not be any kind of rustic iron over there. The platform should be well decorated. Now when we come to remedies and well decorated platform, the plants that give very beneficial results in this direction is the plants with short leaves and the herbal plants. See, Ayurveda says the herbs, sweet smelling herbs or pungent herbs that we eat between meals give a very good effect on our health. And the plants like jade, basil, thyme, rosemary, these all are the plants that have very short leaves. And what they depict, the plants with the short leaves, is when you go and study the science, or you must be aware that they make their food from stems, and that part becomes stronger, which depicts again inside your body that how this process is taking place. So keeping such plants like jade for money and herbs for health like thyme, rosemary, basil, tulsi gives very good result. But the thing is that you also need to eat that, because until and unless you are not going to eat, and this is the best remedy of Ayurveda, to eat herbs between the meals. Such kind of herbs in raw form gives very good effect. Another remedy is, as this house belongs to both Mercury and Mars, and the zone also belongs to Mercury and